We need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need half carrot. Cut the carrot into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Take the carrot slices in a saucepan. Add lemon slices. Add cinnamon stick. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Strain it. Add a spoon of honey. Mix it well. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days. And store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.